Welcome back to Trend Trade. Today is June 12th and you're going to activate the Morse code and the Cipher code of Hamster Kombat. We tap 3 times on the earn per tab. Now we have our daily cipher, which is Hamster. Okay, for Hamster we have HAMS. Okay, let's go for H. 1 2 3 4, and then a tab, a dash, M, 2 dashes. For S we have 3 tabs. For T we have a dash. For E we have a tab, and for R we have this. And this is tonight's prize, which is 1 million coins. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more information and tips.